In this week's episode, we are going to be talking about teamwork. Over the last 6 years, we've had the pleasure of recruiting an amazing team that work together every single day. And throughout the process of recruiting some great team members, it's that relationship build between our teams that make everything work. So this week's episode is going to go behind the scenes, sharing how everybody is working together, what their thoughts are on teamwork, and not just teamwork within our team, but also there's a teamwork aspect from us to our partners, because if we're going to achieve our long-term goals, we have to work together. We have to resolve issues together. We have to overcome and problem solve and come up with brand new opportunities. So you're going to have a great insight to what we believe in terms of teamwork. I hope you enjoyed this one. Give it a big thumbs up if you do enjoy this. Please consider hitting that subscribe button, and I look forward to hearing your comments down below. So take it away.
Hello, my name is Charlotte and I'm the head of the Financial, HR and Support Department. As a part of my main roles and responsibilities, I undertake tasks which are more financially based, such as monthly invoicing for our partners, ensuring all staff members are paid correctly and on time, and ensuring all important payments are scheduled on time. As a part of the financial side of the department, I also have a team member working alongside me, Sanchi. Sanchi and I work closely together daily in order to better our department as well as continuing to learn and grow. Within my team, I also have another member of staff, Alicia. Her main roles and responsibilities cover the HR and support side of the department. Alicia became a part of my team just short of 4 months ago. Within this short period of time, we have made some great progress. As a brief overview, Alicia undertakes many different tasks within both HR and customer support. From a customer support point of view, Alicia's role includes things such as enrolment of new partners when they sign up to our service, ensuring that we continue to provide excellent customer care.
Hi everyone, I'm Mitch. I'm in the business development team at Systemise Fulfilment, and what I'm going to do is just quickly show you around how all the team works together and how we all come together as well and work as one unit. So this is actually my desk, and when you pan around the room you'll actually see that we've got Nathan, Lucy and Adam all in the same office. So we're all like a tight unit and we're all working together, so we can all talk to each other throughout the day if we've got any issues or if we've got any problems that we need to overcome, or just anything in general really. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you to Adam. Adam's our team marketing member, and what he solely focuses on is organic marketing, and that includes like creating blog posts and case studies and newsletters and lots of other things as well, like tracking the data on how well the website's doing and lots of other things as well. So we'll take you over to Adam. So this is Adam, and what Adam does throughout the day, he's creating blog posts, he's looking at past blog posts as well, and looking how to fully optimize each blog post that we've got, as well as going through past YouTube videos, which is probably where you're watching this now, and looking how to fully optimize those. And then he collects all the data that we've got every single day, and then we've got an EOS board, it's called, and we keep everything up to date and on track, so we can see if we're going up, if we're going down, and then where we can realign ourselves and really focus on the issue at hand or what we're doing really well, and any other factor that might come into it as well. And then if we go around to Lucy, so this is Lucy's desk. Lucy's currently on a call at the moment. She's actually on a consultation call with a potential client, and that's really what Lucy focuses on. So we've done a lot of work with Lucy recently, and we've introduced something called a consultation call. It's a free 30-minute call where you can just discuss Systemise Fulfilment, your business, and we can really like build a relationship and see if you've got any issues and how we can help you really. So yeah, this is what Lucy's mainly focusing on. She's doing really well. She's picked it up really quickly, and she's got lots of good feedback from all the partners that we've currently enrolled, and yeah, things are going great. And a good thing that Lucy's doing as well is something called the wholesale sheets. It's in early development at the moment, however, she's done a lot of work and she's still continuing to do a lot of work on getting them up and running and ready for the partners to use. So that'll be a really good thing once it's up and running and operational. And then this is actually where Nathan sits. Unfortunately, Nathan's currently in isolation. He's not got COVID, he's absolutely fine, but he's been in contact with someone, unfortunately. But Nathan is another one of our business development managers, as well as Lucy. And what Nathan does, he looks after the partners once they enrol. He'll do welcome calls, explain all the bonuses and amazing other offers that we can offer to them. And he also talks to the existing partners as well. So when they're facing any issues, or we've got problems within the business, or we're looking at different ways to scale the business, Nathan's always there at hand to suggest new things and how we can help and really grab your business and then just scale it up to the next level, basically. And like you can see, we're all tight in one unit and we all combine together and make things work. And if, like I mentioned earlier, when we're tracking all the data that we're doing throughout the day, if there's any problems or any issues that we're facing, we all work together, come up with a solution, overcome it, and then move on to the next problem, because there's always something that's an issue, but it's good to have issues and it shows we're doing something right. So that's pretty much how we all work, and yeah, that's about it really.
I'm Ollie, and we make sure that the SKU and the product are correct, either by checking on Amazon or by checking with the team leader or by checking with one another.
I'm Alex. I also do everything Ollie just said. We check with each other, like I said. We also deal with UPS, so when that comes, we stick labels on and get it gone. Anything that needs to be done, we keep track of that as well.
So in this section, I'm going to be talking about the day-to-day life in our brand operations with myself and my team member Caleb.
Hi, I'm Caleb. I'm a warehouse processor and I work closely with Kaylee alongside the brand. I'm in control of daily operations, processing and shipping the orders we get every day.
We're in communications with our brand partners daily through a channel called Slack, which they then send all their orders through to us, which on the order sheet gives us exactly what products we need to pick, how many products we need to pick, the destination of where the shipment is going to, which Caleb will then print off, and then he will pick accordingly to what he needs, whether that is it's going to have to go onto a pallet, or whether it's an Amazon order, because we also deal with Amazon vendors, so we also have specific barcodes that also need to get put onto the boxes, also attached with a UPS label on top of that. Once Caleb then picks all the products, like I said, it either goes on a pallet, which obviously our pallet weights can't go over 500 kilogram because we also deal with hazardous products. So we also have to have the UN codes specifically for them, and also that will indicate which courier we use for them to go, because some couriers obviously don't deal with hazmat items. We get replenishment stocks coming to us as well every month, which we now have a pallet stacker, which is amazing because that is so much easier then to get the pallets off of lorries when they haven't got a tail lift. Once obviously all the pallets come in, Caleb, he will then verify all the pallets to make sure the stocks come that we was expecting. Once all the pallets are in the warehouse, we then look at all the locations that we've already got stacked up with stock, and then we'll replenish the stock as and where needed, which we'll do that together. So Caleb could be on top of the ladders and I'll be passing all the products up to him while he's stacking up the shelves.
Hi, I'm Casey and I do shipment completion.
So today we're going to talk about how our roles intertwine with each other's and we help each other to do each other's jobs. So starting with mine, I do obviously shipment creation, where I create all the shipments for all the partners who are either platinum. And with that, we make the shipments with Amazon, print all off the labels and the SKU sheets and get them ready for the pickers to go pick the shipments of what's on the SKU sheets. That then gets processed, it then gets boxed, and the remaining sheets with all the details on then get passed over to Casey, who then does her part to help with my part after all this.
So when it gets to my part, I get all the sheets with all the information, I fill out all the information onto Amazon to print off all the box labels, fill in everyone's master sheets and reconcile out what's needed, what's been sent into which boxes and in which shipment it was put in, and then I print off the box labels, complete the shipment, and then yeah, that's it really.
Yeah, so when Casey reconciles out, it helps me to obviously, if more products come in for the certain partner that she's reconciled out, it makes it a lot easier for me to then not make the mistake by putting in products that have already been put into that shipment. It actually eliminates them off the shipment creation tab, so it makes it less problematic in the future with all the shipments that then happen from then on, and then that just carries on pretty much. So if I don't create shipments, Casey can't reconcile out, which means I can't create shipments, which just stops the whole process.
Our jobs intertwine with each other's
Yeah.
a lot,
Yeah.
and when either of us are absent, it makes it easier for the other one to fill in each other's job role because we both understand what we've both got to do in both situations.
Yeah, and if we're getting overloaded with shipments, we get UPS collect every single day.
So what can I say about people and teamwork? I think it's the most important aspect of your business. It can really make or break your business. It has an amazing amount of reward in people and teamwork, as well as it comes with challenges and difficulties. There's nothing more rewarding than having a group of people in a team that are all working together, resolving problems together, coming up with brand new ideas together, innovating, trying to do the best they possibly can. Yet on the flip side of that, you can also feel the weight as a business owner. Myself and Kylie have been completely blessed and honored to have an amazing group of people that care so much about what we're doing, to our partners, developing relationships with our suppliers, everything that we do, from our mastermind group to the friends that I've come and I've met. Myself and Kylie, it is really, really rewarding. And we also feel the sense of responsibility that we want to keep pushing. We want to develop our visions of the future, what it is that we're trying to do, set goals, but then also bring in the right team members and try to recruit and make our business attractive to attract the right type of person that would take our business to that next level. And a big part of that is, allowing them to have the freedom, the creativity to work together, come up with brand new ideas. That's what it takes. That's what it takes to build the biggest of businesses. You can't do it yourself. You've got to always be thinking, what can I create? What can we create? Where do we need to pivot? What do we need to do? How can we create more value into the marketplace? And that comes from collectively all coming together. And that's why, like I said, myself and Kylie have had an amazing number of years now recruiting some really amazing people that we have passion for, that we've got compassion for. We have, an understanding. We want to be there and allow people to ultimately flourish. that's the one, in their lives, you know, and that's the truth. And when it's all said and done, it is the journey that you go on together that will be rich with experiences, with breakthroughs, with goals being achieved, with everything. Seeing people grow into grow outside of their comfort zones, push themselves, learn new things, grow in their careers, as well as then, obviously, from our partners' perspective, being able to support our partners make amazing growth in their own, you know, professional and personal lives. And that's why we've always had our partners that have come and visited, masterminds, people come into the warehouse and getting to know people on first name basis. You know, comment everybody back and message everybody back, invite suppliers to come and meet us and show what we're doing, because, you know, it's not about being perfect. It's about starting, it's about pushing yourself, it's about really just keep working towards the goals that you have. And that's why really love creating these videos, and certainly love the team being able to be a part of these videos too. So that's my thoughts on teamwork and people. It's really the joy of the emotions that you go through, all the highs with the lows, the challenges, the breakthroughs, the successes, the milestones, the big milestones, as well as the small, you know, seeing somebody gain experience and gain confidence and gain, you know, some belief in themselves that they can do it. So that's my thoughts when it comes to people.